How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 3.0 tablet holder cover. You will need a pry tool to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Remove the tablet. Turn the tablet holder lock counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull upward on the tablet holder to remove it. Using a pry tool, pry the edges of the tablet holder cover upward to detach it, then remove the cover. Now let's replace it. Note the 3 posts on the tablet holder cover and the corresponding sockets on the side panel. Aligning the posts with the sockets, press firmly on the cover to secure it. Note the notches on the tablet holder cover and the corresponding notches on the tablet holder shaft. Aligning the notches, lower the tablet holder into position, then turn the lock clockwise to secure it. Confirm that the tablet holder can swivel. Replace the tablet. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.